Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw an artwork by Piet Mondrian. I have changed it a little bit so that it isn't exactly copying. What I'm going to draw will either look like this, or this. The things that you need are a black texture, a yellow texture, a red texture, and a blue texture, and a ruler. A pencil isn't necessary, but you can use it if you want to. Before we start, I think that you should put a page underneath so that it won't go through. Okay, so what you do first is you grab the ruler and you start drawing. You hold this and then you hold the ruler and then you start drawing rectangles with the pencil. And you keep doing that until the page is full. Overlapping isn't in the original piece, but you could add it to make it unique. I usually wouldn't use a pencil, but just to make sure, I'm going to use a pencil. I have finished drawing the outline. Now you have to use the texture to trace over it. I'll do the first square, but after that I'll pause, and then after I've started filming again, then I'll be done. You can pause the video here if you want some time to do it. So this is what it's supposed to look like after you finish tracing it. As I said, you don't need to use pencil, but you can. So what you have to do now is get your red texture. If it has a fine tip, then use that, but if it doesn't, then you could try changing it, or you could just use the fine tip, but it'll take longer. With the red texture, you have to colour some of the rectangles, but don't colour the ones that are the corners that are overlapped, because I don't think that's a style. And you do the same with all the others, but leave some of the rectangles blank. You could leave a bit of the small ones blank, but also leave some rectangles blank because that would look good. I'm finishing colouring some of the rectangles red. Now I'm going to start doing the same thing with the blue. You can do either the red, yellow, or blue first, but I'm just going to do it in a random order. Now all we need to do is use the yellow to colour the rest, but not all of it, only some of it, because remember, you still have to keep some of the rectangles blank. So now I have finished my artwork. This is what it's supposed to look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe.